Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Binance Referral ID. First, visit the Binance website and log into your account. After that, over to your profile icon and you will see Referral option. Click on it and you will see an interface like this. Scroll down until you see Invite Friend. Click on it and copy the referral ID. You can also use the referral link, or you can also use these QR codes to send it to your friend. You can send the link with others to invite them in Binance. When someone signs up using your referral ID, you can earn reward based on their trades. The referral ID is a unique code associated with their account. You can share it directly if someone is manually entering the code during registration. You can monitor your referral reward and referral statistics in the referral program section of your account. So that is how you can get Binance Referral ID. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.